Come to sitting position. Sit comfortably, relaxedly. Put Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Relax. Let us chant Omkara 3 times. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Om. Repeat after me. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacha Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidyakena Yopakarotam Pravaram Munina Patanjalim Pranjalim Pranatosmi Nityam Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Take both hands behind your back. Hold the right wrist with left palm. Inhale and go back. Exhale, bend forward. Pay your respects to Mother Earth, parents, teachers, God, and Guru. Slowly inhale and come back. Good morning. Welcome to Yoga Jyoti Yoga classes. Come to sitting Dandasana. Legs straight, body straight. Keep your palms by the side of the body. Relax your feet. Feet forward, backward, 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 forward, backward. Move your feet left to right, 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 left to right. Rotate your feet in circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come to standing position. Stand up. Inhale and take your hands above your head. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, take your hands above your head. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, take your hands above your head. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, take your hands above your head. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, take your hands above your head. Exhale, bring the hands down. Sidewise bending. Inhale, take your right hand above your head. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Left hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards right side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Left hand up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally towards left side. Inhale, straighten. exhale, bring the right hand up. Left hand up, inhale, exhale, bend laterally towards right side, inhale, straighten, exhale, bring the left hand down. Keep both hands in front, palms facing down, inhale, exhale, twist and look back, inhale, center, 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 exhale, twist and look back, inhale, center. Bring the hands down, exhale. Throw your hands sideways upwards to sideways upwards with exhalation. Exhale, 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 exhale. Stop. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Take your hands horizontal. Inhale. Exhale, bend laterally, touch left ankle with left palm. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend laterally, touch right ankle with right palm. Inhale, center. Let us do a few rounds of this. Inhale, exhale, 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 inhale. Stop. Bring both the feet together. Inhale, take your hands above your head, bend backwards. Exhale, bend forward, touch your toes. Inhale, exhale. 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 Inhale, stop. Exhale, bring the hands down. Take your legs 1 to 1.5 meter apart. Bend and twist. Take your hands horizontal. Inhale. Exhale, half bend. Further exhale, twist and touch left feet with right palm. Inhale, half bend. Further inhale, straighten. Other side. Inhale. Exhale, half bend. Further exhale, twist and touch right feet with left palm. Inhale, half bend. Further inhale, straighten. Let us do a few rounds of this. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale. 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 Inhale. Stop. Keep your feet slightly wider than your shoulders. Take your hands horizontal. Turn your upper portion to the left side. Turn your upper portion to the right side. Turn left. Turn right. 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 Center. Relax. Take your right leg back. Take your left hand at the eye level. Now, raise your right leg, touch your left palm and take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change your legs. Keep your right foot forward, left foot backward. Keep your right hand up, right palm at the eye level. Raise your left leg, touch the right palm and go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. Bend your knees, legs, feet in the air. Bend your knees, feet in the air. Straighten your legs and then bend your knees half. Okay. Now, take your hands above your head. Get up, touch your ankles and go back. 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 Straighten your legs, relax. Raise both the legs 90 degrees. Take your hands above your head. Get up. Bring your hands towards your feet and go back. Try to touch your toes and go back. Get up. Go back. Palms towards your toes. Go back. Get up. Go back. Get up. Go back. Get up. Go back. Get up. Go back. Relax. Bring the legs down. Bring the hands down by the side of the body. Palms facing down. Take your hands above your head. Now, raise your left leg at the same time. Left leg 90 degrees. Same time, Raise your upper portion up, hands by the side of the legs. Left hand to the left side of the left leg, right hand to the right side of the left leg. Go back. Again, raise your right leg 90 degrees. Raise your upper portion up. Left hand to the left side of the right leg. Right hand to the right side of the right leg. Go back. Again, left hand, left leg. Go back. Right leg. Go back. Left leg. Go back. Right leg. Go back. Stop. Take your hands above your head. Rise both the legs 90 degrees. Hold the position. Breathe normally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly drop it down. Relax. Bring the hands down. Relax. Turn on to your stomach. Onto your stomach. Turn on to your stomach. Feet flat. Chin on the ground. Keep your palms on the floor near your chest. Inhale and raise your upper portion from the waist up. Bhujangasana. Good for back pain. It reduces tummy. It's a very good asana. Hold the position. Breathe normally. Hold it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop it down slowly. Exhale. Once more. Do the Bhujangasana. Raise your upper portion up. Inhale and breathe normally. Hold the position. Breathe normally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop it down. Exhale. Relax. Keep your palms below your thighs. Bring both the feet together. Raise both the feet up from the waist. Drop it down. Again, raise both the feet up. Drop it down. Again, raise both the feet up. Drop it down. Relax. Come to standing position. Stand up. Relax. Relax. Take a small break of 1 minute. You can take a sip of water if you want. Okay, come back. Please enable your videos. We will learn sitting asanas today. Come to sitting dandasana. Sitting dandasana. Legs straight, body straight. Keep your palms by the side of the body. Don't put weight on the palms. Straight, spine straight. This is called dandasana, sitting dandasana. There is another dandasana which is plank position. Okay, now inhale and take your hands above your head. Straighten your spine. From the waist, exhale and bend and forward. Hold the toes. Bend from the weight as much as you can. Breathe normally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale and straighten yourself. Exhale, bring the hands down. Okay, now let me see how you are doing. Okay. All right. Okay. Bend from the waist. Okay. Good. Okay. All right. Everyone, please adjust your camera so that I can see. Satish, your camera is okay. I can see. I can see. Not an issue. Ashwini ji, I can see your camera. Pallavi, I can see your camera. Samir, I can see your camera. Pramila ji, yes. Bend from the waist. Okay, fine. Kamala ji, I cannot see your camera. I mean, only half is visible. Now it is okay. It is okay. Yeah. All right. Fine. All right. Any questions anybody has on this asana? No questions? Okay. All right. Okay. Shashikala ji, there is no camera for you. I cannot correct your posture. That's okay. All right. Next one. Next one. Bend your left knee on the ground to the sideways. Left knee on the ground to the sideways. Left feet touching the right knee. Left feet touching the right knee. Inhale and take your hands above your head. Straighten your spine. Stretch. Exhale. Bend forward. Hold the right toes with both the hands. Head down. Okay. Breathe normally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale and straighten. Exhale and bring the hands down. Similarly, other side, other leg. So let me see other side how you are doing. Okay. Okay, Ashwini ji, you are doing fine. Satish, okay. Your leg is bent, but that's okay. Slowly you can do that. Pallavi, you are doing fine. Shashikala ji, you are doing okay. Where is your left leg? Show me your left leg. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Ramakant, I cannot see you. Okay. Kamala ji, I can see only half of you. I don't know how is your left leg position or right leg position. Okay, fine. Amrutavalli, okay, fine. Sridhar ji, your camera position doesn't allow me to see you fully. You have to give some distance between camera and you. And camera has to be a little bit lower. Right. Correct. Okay, fine. Very good. Okay. Pramila ji. Okay, fine. Carry on. Okay. Bend forward further. Head down. Good. Okay. Samir, you are doing fine. Okay. Sridevi, you are doing fine. Okay, fine. Okay, everybody did that. All right. So next one. So both legs you have done? All of you? Okay. So this is called Janu Shirshasana. Okay. All right. Next one.
Levangaru. 6:30.
Okay. Now we will do Vakrasana. Come to Chikli Dandasana. Bend your left knee pointing top. Okay. Take your hands horizontal. Twist your upper portion to the left side. Keep your left palm on the ground. Take your right hand above your head and take it around the left knee, holding the left ankle. Turn your head to the left side. Look over your left shoulder. Remove your right hand, take it above your head, come back, remove your left hand, come back, straighten your left leg. Okay? So now, let us see how you are doing both sides. Okay, Shashikala ji, you are doing fine. Pallavi ji, you are, one second, come back. Your right feet, you can keep it to the right side of your left leg. There you can keep. Now take your hands horizontal. Wait. Step by step we will do. Okay. Now you can do. Okay, fine. Satish. Okay, fine. Okay, Ramakant. Good try. Kamala ji, you are doing fine. Amrutwali, you are doing fine. Sridhar. Okay, Sridhar, fine. Ramila ji. Okay, fine, all right. Samir. Okay, Samir. Okay, Ashwini ji, fine. It's okay. Come back. Okay. All right. Next one.
This is of the
Okay. Okay, next one we will do. See, bend both the knees pointing upwards. Hold left toe with left palm, right toe with right palm. Keep your feet touching to each other. On your tailbone, raise both the legs up. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it down. Straighten your legs. Okay. Let us see how you are doing. Okay. Careful, don't fall back. Okay. Amrutwalli, you are doing fine. Shashikalaji, you are doing fine. Bend your knees, Pallavi. Now hold left toe with left palm. No. Bend your knees first. Bend your knees. Bring it further near to you. Near to you. Now hold left toe with left palm, right toe with right palm. Now raise your legs. No, touch both the feet. Okay, fine. Okay. Sridev ji, you are doing fine. Very good. Satish, you are doing fine. Ashwini ji, you are also doing fine. Try to rise further. Okay. Pramila ji, you are doing fine. Kamala ji, you are okay. All right. Okay, fine. Okay, next. Ramakant, you are also doing fine. Okay. On your knees, one elbow distance between the knees, slight distance between the knees. On your knees, you can give the support of the hands to the lower back and bend your upper portion back. Ardha Ustrasana, half Ustrasana. Breathe normally. Come back. Okay, now we will do full Ustrasana. Take your hand above your head, behind your back. Hold right ankle with right palm. Take your left leg back. Left ankle with left palm. Bend your head back. Come back. Be careful while doing this. Don't hurt yourself. Let us see how you do. First you do Ardha Ustrasana and then Purna Ustrasana. Okay, Pramila ji, you are doing fine. Ashwini ji, you are okay. Satish, fine. Kamalaji, fine. Amrutvalli, fine. Samir, okay. Pallaviji, fine. Sechkalaji, okay. Okay, now you do Purna Ustrasana. Premila ji, you have, that is you are sitting on, sitting, don't sit. Yeah, right, correct. Okay, Pallavi ji, you are doing fine, Ustrasana, that's fine. Okay, Satish, you are also doing fine, very good. Srishkala ji, you have to try. Okay, Ashwini ji, you are doing fine, okay. Okay, Ramakant, be careful, come back, Ramakant, don't do too much. Okay, Kamala ji, you are doing fine. Okay, yeah. So Sridhar ji, how about you? Okay, fine, fine. All right. Anybody has any question? Samir, you are not doing properly. You have to stand on your knees. Now you bend. Correct. Correct. Yeah.
This is Shishkala, sir.
Ah.
Sir, I'm unable to do, sir, this one.
Focus your camera.
Sir.
Okay. Now stand on your knees. Where are you? Where is your camera? It's gone.
Gone, huh? Is there, sir?
Okay. Stand on your knees. Now gently take your right hand back. Slowly touch the right heel. Touch it. Take your left hand back. Touch the left heel slowly. Bend your back. Bend your back. Bend your back forward. Okay. That's okay.
One I am able.
You do half. Okay. If you are touching your right heel with the right hand, keep your left hand up. Leave it at that. Bend your back. Do it with half. That's okay. Then you do with left hand. Okay. Slowly you will get that. Okay. Understood?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Come back, everyone. Now, bend both the knees. Right knee to the right side, left knee to the left side. Cobbler position. Hold the feet with both the hands. Keep your spine straight. Your inner thighs will be stretched. Depending on your flexibility, it will be there. Hold the position. There is no competition here. You do what you can. Good for the health. This asana is very good for the health. Very good for the organs in the lower abdomen. Hold the position. Breathe normally. Pay attention to your breathing. Okay. So this, I don't think I need to observe you. I think this is straightforward. You can do that. Then separate out your legs as much as you can. Hold the left toe with left hand, right toe with right hand. Bend forward as much as you can. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Let me see how you are doing. Okay, Ashwini ji, you are doing fine. Shashikala ji, you are doing fine. Kamala ji, you are doing fine. Satish, you are doing okay. Fine. Samir, you are doing fine. Premila ji, how about you? The other one, you have not seen? Right. Yeah, that you are doing fine. Sridhar ji, you are doing fine. Amrutvalli, you are doing fine. Okay, fine. Come back. Ramakant, okay, fine. Come back. Relax. Okay. Any questions so far?
The one where we turn both our hands back and touch our ankle, no? That standing, that is a bit, I would not say tough, but takes time. You're not so flexible right now, back, I think.
Right. Yeah, it will come. Slowly, as we practice, it will come.
Yeah, it stretches a bit, but I think it is very good asana.
Right. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Now, keep your feet shoulder length apart and sit on your toes, thighs parallel to the ground, and put namaskar. On your toes, heels up, knees bent. On your toes, thighs parallel to the ground. Put namaskar mudra. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Okay, let me see how you are doing. Okay. All right. Hold it. It strengthens the thigh muscles and also improves the balance. Okay. Okay, fine. Come back. All right. Come back, Samir. Okay. Now, keep your feet comfortably, like shoulder length apart, and You have to squat. Squat, adjust your feet as much as you can. Squat in Malasana. Indian squat. Put Namaskara Mudra. Okay. So this is do the Indian squat. Sit comfortably. Okay. All right. Malasana. Very good asana. Do it for 30 seconds. Make sure your heels are touching the ground. Make sure your heels are touching the ground. Okay. Okay. All right. Come back. Sit in Vajrasana. Bend your knees. Feet flat. Buttocks on the feet. Vajrasana. Anybody has a question on Vajrasana, you can ask me. It's very simple asana. Now, in Vajrasana, keep your knees together, bring your knees together, separate out your feet. Let there be space between your feet. And keep your buttocks in the space between the feet. This is called Virasana. Virasana. Okay. Separate out your feet and keep your buttocks in between the feet. Hold the position. Keep your spine straight. Keep your palms on your thighs. Hold the position. Okay, come back. Relax. Relax your feet. Relax your feet. Okay. Lie down on your back. Shavasana. Lie down in Shavasana. Legs apart, heels facing each other, hands by the side of the body, palms facing roof, eyes closed, face smiling. Relax. Observe your breathing. As you breathe in, stomach rises up. As you breathe out, stomach sinks in. Synchronize your breathing with stomach movement. Relax. Become aware of your body. Turn to the right side. Keep your left palm on the ground. With the help of left palm, come to sitting position. Sit comfortably, relaxedly. Sit comfortably, relaxedly. Close your eyes. Let us do Omkara chanting. Keep your palms on your knees. Index finger touching the thumb. Close your eyes. Let us chant Omkara few times. Chant Omkara with sacredness, respect and devotion. Bhakti. Devotion towards Parabrahma, Paramatma, Narayana, Supreme Being. Omkara sound starts from navel center and ends at Sahasrara, top of the head. At the end of Omkara sound, there is a silence and peace. Enjoy the silence and peace. Silence and peace is the prasada of God. Inhale. Let us chant together. Inhale. 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 Sit silently, relaxedly. Put Namaskar Mudra. Repeat after me. Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Keep your hands in blessed posture. Bless the world, bless the universe. Repeat after me. Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Hold your hands, pray to God. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Repeat after me. I am not the body. I am not the mind. I am not the intellect. I am pure consciousness. Shivaswarupi. Shivoham. 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 Rub your palms. Generate heat. Make it cup shape. Put it on your eyes. Give warmth to the eyes. With few blinks. Open your eyes. Thank you. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.